beat that man's ass. I don't even understand. Because I felt
that was a real sneeze, because on my nigga.
Put it on your mama.
On my mother.
That was a real sneeze.
Yes.
Try to play me like a pussy nigga and it won't work. Chopper with the stock, it's gon' kick, but it won't hurt. Turn this bitch sideways, rip him like some homework. Sneak up in this trap under the bed like a monster. Hop up.
What's up, y'all, man? It's your boy Ma, man. Sean's still not back, bro. He gonna be back. Just know he gonna be back. But yeah, I'm about to pull his prank on Big Bro. Big sister, Big Bro, what you wanna call it. But yeah, I'm about to fake sneeze on her, nigga. Fake sneeze. Just know, if it don't get serious, I don't know, it might be funny, I don't know. Just know, I'm about to fake sneeze on her. See what she do. Everybody outside, I'm the only one in the house, that's why I'm talking and stuff. But yeah, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, give us, tweet us more, not tweet, I don't got a Twitter. Like, give us more ideas, and yeah, let's get to it. Big O. No way outside. What's that sick big word?
Say it again, Kevin. Feed that!
No way outside though. It's real. This time from my nose. It's real like bad outside, nigga. Look, kids go little brother. Let's get outside.
Got her head on me.
So I'm not doing so though. Oh, yeah. You cock. That's what I can do with everybody else out.
Oh, you baby Jesus. Where's that?
Come on, little bro.
No.
I'm ready. You can come in.
No, he can't.
Why can't he?
Because our mama. What the hell?
Yeah,
Mom in the
mama.
microwave?
She ain't gonna know you in here.
She about to leave. I'm gonna try to come past and
You drain the juice?
Just come on.
Mom!
What?
Do I drain the juice?
Nigga, I'm gonna do it. Nigga, chill out. Wait, cuz.
You said that was done. Where's the egg?
I'm not cooking right now. You get that. Shut up.
I want to see it.
Okay,
You gotta wash the dishes.
No.
So what you want?
I never told you to come in this motherfucker. I just said why y'all outside.
On my life, he said, come on.
Did I say ain't nothing to do outside?
No, I said, you said my noodles done. I said on who? You said on
Did I just say I was just playing?
No.
That's the tree, and that's the tree, and that's the tree, and that's the tree, and that's the dog, and that's the people, and that's the truck, and that's the house.
Look at me.
And a lot of people right there.
You missed it.
You're a gay boy.
Now you're a gay boy.
Hey, don't tell me that.
Stop it.
Bitch. Kelly, that's your mama? No, that's some real shit. I'm so serious. Let me get on your back. Look.
Noah, stop it. I won't be your friend.
I'm his face!
That's an accident.
Oh, you sneezed on your face. Oh, you realize. Bitch, you ain't sneezed on me. You ain't sneezed. Stop playing. I was real. I'm gonna beat your ass. I'm not playing. My life. I was real. I'm gonna beat that man's ass. I don't even understand. Because I felt
That was
it.
a real sneeze, because on my nigga.
Put it on your mama.
On my mother.
That was a real sneeze.
Yes.
Say it.
Oh God, on my mother, that was a real sneeze. Bro, chill out.
Stop saying that.
Oh, yeah, here you go.
What you trying to do, big nigga? But chill out, bruh. It was an act. I was looking out the window. Chill out, bruh. If that's bleach.
Mama, that was no fucking accident. You
Bro,
know it's perfect.
Don't throw bleach on me, cuz.
It's not bleach.
What is it?
It's water.
Bro, chill out, chill out.
Smell it. On my life, it's water. So you geeking.
Alright, don't throw that.
Why would you sneeze? Why would
No, we just both look out the window at the same time.
No, we wasn't. You're lying.
If you throw that on me,
You're lying, Jabbar. Jabbar.
if you put that water on me on my dick, we gotta hit.
We might as well go ahead and hit. Go ahead and do what you gotta do.
Word. Throw that water on me, see what's gonna happen.
Jabbar.
But chill out, chill out, chill out. You throwing it with 2 fingers.
Bitch, I pour this off. You
wait.
Do it again. Try it. Go ahead. Try it. Bitch. You Get your ass outside. I'm not playing. Real talk. Get your ass outside now. Get. Now.
What's up, bro? Hold on, you better sneeze, bitch.
I'm in a bitch again. On my mother, if you sneeze. Mom, I swear to God.
I don't care. You get that close again, I'm gonna sneeze. I don't care.
Go ahead, sneeze on me. Go ahead.
Shoot.
I was fake as hell.
Oh my nigga, that's a real sneeze. You don't hear me, nigga?
I hear you, but that was a fake ass sneeze. But no, go outside.
What?
He always do that shit. You just realized I tried to flush it. Now you over exaggerating.
Who you that strong?
Bitch. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me.
Bruh.
It's only your arm, not your clothes, bro.
Now, when I got to sneeze on, bro, I'm sneezing on you.
Oh, go ahead, try it. Go ahead.
Again.
Please,
I don't
please,
care.
please. Yeah,
I sneeze on you.
please.
I tried to make myself sneeze on, bro. I haven't.
Idiot. God,
Bruh.
You always
What? You about to...
Oh my life. Bitch, I use all the water. Stop playing with me. You realize you need something. You keep playing with me.
Nigga.
On my life, you need to sneeze.
Oh, man.
You always doing ignorant shit. Now if I sneeze on you, what you gonna do?
Bruh.
If I sneeze on you, what you gonna do?
Your big body self gonna follow me.
Please.
I'm gonna do it again. I shouldn't have got this way. But get off of me, good.
Please.
Bro, what's up?
And your daddy on this way. You want ear? You can use my
Nigga, I'm not really sneezing on my mother.
Oh
God, it's a prank,
oh,
nigga.
look, I didn't know.
You really pouring water on me. Nigga, look, nigga, stop playing. I know you said. Nigga, you realize pouring water on me.
Oh God, I didn't
Oh God, nigga. Dang, Josh. She realized pouring water on me on a prank,
Oh, you
man.
poured the break on me.
Oh, bruh, got me soaked for no reason.
My fault. I didn't mean to do that. He got me with a prank, man.
Bro, I got wet off a prank, bro.
That's why you want mad. Cause you know
What's up, little bro? Say what's up to the people, man.
you.
Yeah, you ugly dude anyway.
Nugget. Come here.
Say nah, man. Yeah. That's the end of that video, man. You already know I'm rocking, man.
Oh, who
This
you?
prank, you can call it a fail, nigga. I got soaking wet, nigga. Nigga, what happened if my mom come home and she see the carpet wet?
She ain't gonna feel it, motherfucker. She walk with sandals on. I'm playing.
Yeah, that's the end of this video, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Give us some more ideas. You already know, man. We gonna be back. Without further ado, we gone.
She said, now let me offer this as a rebuttal.
Hey.